You're a born queer baby with colors shining so bright. Embrace your true self, darling, and let your spirit take flight. Every little inch of you is a work of art, my dear. With every step you take, break down every single fear.
Into this world, a little queer babe, a spirit that shines brighter than the sun rays. A rainbow so unapologetically free, defying norms, making change to glee. From the moment I arrived, I lit up the room, shining in the status quo, dispelling the gloom. With every step I take, I embrace my truth. No matter what they say, I won't be subdued.
I won't be subdued.